get to the point. On my left, I have Zoom open, and then on my right, YouTube, Tony Robbins talking. Let's just assume that we are in the Zoom meeting. The topic itself is kind of boring. We wanted to take a break. Listen to some YouTubes. How are we gonna do that on Windows machines? Unlike the Mac user where you need to install the third party, luckily Windows has a built-in system to separate out the audio individually according to based on the application or program you run. Let's just run both of them simultaneously. Let's say I'm running this. I'm in the Zoom meeting. I'm in the Zoom meeting and the Tony talking. So right now you can hear that is because this volume. And I don't think you can hear from this Zoom side. That is because when you click here, when you click this icon, speaker icon, right click, then open this open mixer. Why you are not hearing Zoom is because of this. I have lowered down this volume individually. See, that's how you manage it. So you don't wanna hear this. You can lower all the way down. So this is Zoom only. That's it. How convenient. So good for Windows users. Index area, Windows definitely beats the Mac user. Yeah, that's about it. You're welcome.